Imagine you're trying to clean your whole room alone. Uh, Toys on the floor, clothes everywhere. It'll take hours. But then your friends join in. One picks up the toys, one folds clothes, one vacuums the floor. Suddenly, the job done in minutes. So, that's how multi-step agents work. Instead of one AI agent doing everything, you create a team of agents that each have a special job. They work together to get it done faster and smarter. So, until now, if you've built solo agents like your homework helper, or your news buddy, or your chat friend, they're amazing. But here's the thing, they can only do one thing at a time. They get tired. Well, not really tired, but stuck. They can't coordinate with others. Example, if you ask one agent to find news, summarize it, and make a video about it, it might get confused or take forever. So that's where multi-agent teams come in. So a multi-agent system is like a team of AI agents that have their own role, but they talk to each other and work. So think of it like a group project at school. One person researches, one writes, and one designs, and one presents it. Together, you score an A plus 100. In the same way, multi-agent systems use teamwork to solve complex problems that one agent can't do alone. So, here's how it happens behind the scenes. Each agent has three main powers: a role or goal, skills or tools, and communication. They can either work together or work separately. The manager agent combines everyone's result to produce the final output. So it's kind of like circuit in electricity. So let's understand this with some fun examples. The Marvel Avengers. Iron Man builds tools. The tech agent. Captain America plans strategy. The planner agent. Black Widow collects info. Research agent. Together, they save the world. That's the final task. Restaurant example. Chef agent cooks the food. Waiter takes your order. Cashier handles payment. Manager makes sure everything runs smoothly. All working system. Game example. Player controls action. Strategy decides moves. Scoring agent tracks points. Together they win the game. So, multi-agent systems aren't just in cartoons. They're real and used everywhere. Robotics. Swarms of delivery drones work together to deliver packages. Games and simulations, NPCs, and games work as teams. Self-driving cars. Each car is an agent that communicates with others to avoid crashes. Science and research. So, later in this module, we'll actually build our own multi-agent team. The research agent, the writer agent, designer agent, and the manager. So, together, your very own AI newsroom team. And once you understand how to make agents work together, you can create almost anything. An entire game studio, a mini company, and a homework team. This is where you go from AI user to creator. So now, let's summarize what we learned. So, a multi-agent system. A team of agents working together. Each agent has a role, skill, and the way to communicate. Each agent is used in real life, from games to robots to space. It's with teamwork, built but with AI. So next time you build an agent, ask yourself, what if it had teammates? Because when agents team up, amazing things happen. Up next, we'll build our very first multi-agent system step by step. So get ready to become the team leader of your own AI squad. Bye!